In this video, I'll show you a outside common area of the Sosua Ocean Village, along with a quick look house review that will come up following this quick look at the outside. But like I say, this is the Sosua Ocean Village, and this building right here to the left houses a gym. And for a few pesos or a couple bucks or whatever, you can get access to it. If you go on their site or whatever, look around. They have plenty of things to do in this Ocean Village community. It's a very well upkept community, nice and relaxing, peaceful. It has things on there for kids, restaurants, like I say, a little bit of everything. I mean, just take a look at, as I'm walking through here, you can see that it's a pretty much well kept area. It rained the night before and it rained that morning before I shot this video, but I mean, you can see the pool was nice and clean. This pool right here at the back, that looks clean, you know what I'm saying? All the grounds and everything is nice and well kept, you know what I'm saying? You stay here at one of these units, you really can't go wrong. But then I'm gonna step on out the way here and go in the back here and check out, give a few little views of this water before I head back and review the house.
Yes, sir. Oh, it is. Detroit. Yep. Where you from, bro? Little Rock, Arkansas? Okay, yes, sir.
Alright, here we go. Go up to the upstairs. Check this out. Come on up here. Got two bedrooms here. Share a bathroom. It's like a kid's room. It's alright. Here. Nice. Somebody else's room, don't show. Got your washer and dryer. Bad boy ran on propane. Another room, so that's bed 3. This is bed 4. Outside balcony terrace with the little pool area, as you've seen, as you know. Come in the master bedroom. It's me. You know how I do it. Little bathroom, little look. That's pretty cool. Little luggage closet area. Got the Apple TV, Netflix, streaming, Wi-Fi booster, LG flat screen, nice good cold air. Nice good ceiling fan, clean bedding, smell good bedding. Right here you got nice little balcony terrace, little look. Open it up right here. And you can come out here and chill. Look, it's raining out here. Sosua, it be raining off and on, boy. You cannot depend on the dang weather out here. It be saying clear, clear, clear. Then next thing you know, rain come through. Stop, get clear. Then it's straight. Then next thing you know, rain come through again. Stop. But it's all good though. Come back in, show you how it is. It's locked up. This other little walkout terrace patio, and like I say, you got that kids room, and then you got the other room right there. They both can come out here to a shared terrace to overlook the yard. Nice.
right. Back with your boy JP. This is the JP Way. And we are here in Sosua, Dominican Republic at Ocean Village. Come on up here. I got this nice setup. Sweet. Overlook everything. See, that's my room over there. You can look over. You know what I'm saying? This is the common one. Like I say, that share between the two rooms that overlook the pool area. Now you see, come on up these little stairs here. We can see what we got up here. Oh yeah. Oh dang, it blew that off. It blew this stuff off. I wonder where the other pillow go. It probably blew that off too. But this is nice up here. Yep. Nice mood setter. You feel me? A nice mood setter. You know what it is. This your boy JP, and this is the JP Way. You know what I'm saying? I have to take off the glasses sometimes so that way you can see me. Ha! But anyway, no, I'm talking. But yeah, man, this is nice. You know what I'm saying? It's nice. Just look at all this. That's here, man. This Dominican Republic, man. It's a pretty cool place. I gotta show you. Sometimes people be like, oh man, is that really the person, or is they over talking somebody else's video? Something all goofy like that. Whatever.